Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. In today's episode, we're going to be trying out the Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara. I got this at Ulta. I got a travel size. If you watch these episodes, you know my thoughts on shelling out money for high-end brand mascara. I got this guy, don't know how much it was. I want to say it was like around $10. So basically this says stir up trouble with 13.7 times the lash volume. Like, how did they figure this out? Oh yeah, that's a solid 13.7. Like, Troublemaker lashes are super fat, super long, and sex proof. Okay. Holds up in hot and heavy situations. We've tested it ourselves. Okay, Urban Decay. Let's just try this guy out. So my thoughts on this mascara, I hate this packaging. Like, why couldn't they just have made this brush a little bit longer? Let me see if I've got something to compare it to. So this is NARS, this is Urban Decay. Let's put the caps up. First of all, this is huge. But these are the caps like equal to each other. And look how much longer the NARS brush is. This needs to be longer because it's really, really, really hard to work with. I didn't even bother putting it on my lower lashes because I don't know, I find myself having to use like the tip. Oh, I didn't even notice the smell, but I smelled it as I put it down. It smells like a Band-Aid or like a doctor's office. Ooh, I don't like that smell at all. Why does it smell like that? Usually mascara has like, you know, the same scent, like a mascara scent, but I don't know why I keep smelling it. That's gross. No, I don't hate this mascara. I just, this packaging is just really hard to work with. And I find that I run into that sometimes when I buy the travel size because they're so tiny, it's really freaking hard to work with. Definitely not a mascara that will give you like voluminous full lashes. I feel like it'll give you really long lashes if you have the regular size brush. Like, this is so hard to work with. See, this sucks. But I don't want to go out and spend like $24+ on this mascara because, I don't know, I don't think it would quite be worth it, but I might get a little bit better of a result if I use the full size, but again, I don't think it would be worth the result that I would get. Am I making any sense at all? Am I making any sense at all? Nope. You guys, I got this shirt at Walmart for like $6 and I think it's friggin' hilarious. It just says nope everywhere. This is definitely like a house shirt. I'm never gonna wear this out in public, but yeah, I thought that was funny. Nope. Do like this brush though. Let me show you it again. I do like it. It's kind of weird, but I like it. I feel like it grabs my lashes very well. Did I just get that on my shirt? And again, this isn't going to make your lashes like voluminous. I feel like this will make them really long. And if you pair this with a voluminous mascara, I feel like you could get, you know, decent lashes. $20 plus a tube worth of lashes? I don't think so. So I just had to jump back on here and tell you guys my lashes smell horrible. Like, I can smell them right now. I was driving Emmeline to school and I could smell my lashes. I can smell this mascara. It's disgusting. Like I said, it smells like a Band-Aid or like a doctor's office. It's so gross. I'm literally gonna scrub this off my lashes right now. I did want to just let you guys know that it smells like disgusting. Like, I can smell it right now and it's like nauseating. I don't know if I just got a bad one or if it's supposed to smell like that, but it's disgusting. So yeah, if you've had that issue with this mascara, definitely let me know. That's it for this episode of Mascara Monday. As always, if there's a mascara you want to see featured on this series, just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.